Delicious overnight berry coffee cake recipe, easy breakfast idea. Hey everyone, welcome back to Miss Coffee Baby. Today, we have a delightful recipe that's perfect for a lazy morning or a special brunch, overnight berry coffee cake. It's super easy to make, and the best part is, you can prepare it the night before, so you can enjoy a stress-free breakfast. Let's get started. Ingredients. For the cake. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1½ teaspoons baking powder. Half a teaspoon baking soda. Half a teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup sour cream. 1½ cups mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. For the streusel topping. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup brown sugar. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed. Half a teaspoon ground cinnamon. For the glaze. 1/2 cup powdered sugar. 1/2 tablespoon milk. Half a teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the cake batter in a mixing bowl. Combine the all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set this dry mixture aside. In a separate bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition, and then add in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet mixture, alternating with sour cream. Begin and end with the dry mixture, mixing until just combined. Step 2. Assemble the cake. Grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Spread half of the cake batter evenly into the prepared dish. Sprinkle half of the mixed berries on top of the batter. Step 3. Streusel topping in a separate bowl. Combine the flour, brown sugar, cold cubed butter, and ground cinnamon. Use a pastry cutter or your fingers to mix until it resembles coarse crumbs. Sprinkle half of the streusel topping over the berries. Step 4. Repeat the layers with the remaining batter, berries, and streusel topping. Step 5. Refrigerate overnight. Cover the baking dish with plastic wrap and refrigerate overnight. This allows the flavors to meld and makes the cake incredibly moist. Step 6. Bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Remove the plastic wrap and bake the coffee cake for 45-50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 7. Glaze. While the coffee cake is cooling, prepare the glaze by mixing powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract until smooth. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled coffee cake. And there you have it, our scrumptious overnight berry coffee cake. This cake is perfect for sharing with family and friends, and it's a wonderful addition to any breakfast or brunch spread. I hope you enjoy making and savoring this delightful treat as much as I do. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Miss Coffee Baby. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.